my friends and fellow Davaoenos. I am sorry to disappoint those who have spent much and worked hard and long in support of me as I went around espousing the benefits of and advantages of federalism. I therefore beg for everyone's kind understanding and acceptance of my sincerest apologies. After all, there was no ambition for me to aspire for the presidency. The country does not need me, and I find no need for it. I guess it is fate that wills that our long journey together should end this way. Time and again, those who believe in me and in the cause that I advocated and continue to advocate advised me to go for the country's presidency because that is the destiny that awaits me. But I believe that my destiny is to end years and years of public life in the service of Davao City and every Davaoeno. Thus, if Inday Sara agrees to run for mayor, I will retire at the end of my term in 2016. If she does not, the option to be mayor again is on the table. When all is said in the wake of this decision, perhaps we can find comfort in the thought that this is indeed a beautiful day to end a wild dream. God bless the Philippines. God bless us all. Very sincerely, yours truly.